Hey guys, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you will get a notification. And so for today's video, I'm gonna show you all Nykaa haul. So I've bought like a lot of things from Nykaa and I'm just gonna, this would be a very fast video, so I'm gonna just share a few products with you all, and I'm gonna give you feedback of the products which I've used, because most of the products I haven't used. So let's start one by one. So this is a hair mask. So this is a huge tub of hair mask. I just can't pronounce the brand name, so I'm gonna mention it on the screen. And this is for damaged hair, and you can see my hair are already damaged to life. So this was a pretty good deal, and I guess this is gonna last me a year, and I'm too much into hair masks these days, so I bought this one. Next up, I have this Nivea moisturizing cream. Again, a random purchase. I don't have any feedback or anything to say. It's just like kind of winters and we need moisturizers, so that is why I bought this one. And even this was a good deal. So all the prices and discount prices, I'm gonna mention it on the screen, so you would have a better idea about the sale. So even next time you can prep yourself and get yourself and save yourself some money. Now next product I have is from Nykaa. This is the Wanderlust range, Wanderlust, whatever you call it, lavender infused body scrub, and this smells amazing. Yeah, it is heaven. I guess they have more 5 or 6 variants, and this was quite cheap, as you can see on the screen, so I had to get it. And I swear by that Beautyco ka body scrub, and I just don't like any other body scrub, but I just felt like, you know, lavender would be like a great scent and everything, so I bought this one. Next I bought is a brow pencil from Etude House. So one side it has a pencil and the other side it has a spoolie, and this is in the shade dark brown. Again, random thing, I haven't used it yet. Then I bought 2 eyeliners from Colorbar. This is one is in brown shade and other one is in a like turquoise kind of shade. I'm gonna give you swatches on the screen right now, and I guess these were on 30% off, so I had to get these. Next I bought is the Mom's Co vitamin C serum infused with hyaluronic acid. So this is not from me, and it helps. It is infused with vitamin C, B3, B5 and vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. So this is for my mother. I'm gonna open and show you all. There are 2 variants in this. I have both. This is a 30 ml bottle, and this is the 8 ml bottle. You can see the difference. So we have used this 8 ml wala and we quite liked it, and that is why we purchased the full size. And this 8 ml wala na we got free with some Mom's Co purchase. Yeah, so we got free with the night cream, because we purchased this night cream. This is the Mom's Co night cream. Again, I haven't used it. It says that it helps to reduce dullness, dark spot and fine lines. I'll let you know if that is true or no. Next up I have is Kama Ayurveda face cream. This is their Iladi hydrating Ayurvedic face cream with pure essential oil, rose and jasmine, and I got like few freebies with this one. I got the Thailam and a mini rose water free with this one, and I bought one more thing, which is a Kama Ayurveda rose water. So I think I'm gonna use it as a toner or just to like splash it around, and it smells amazing. Next up I have few products from Mamaearth, so I'm gonna quickly show you all that. This is the Upton face mask, and I really swear by this product. I've already emptied one tub. I guess if you have seen my empties video, I had mentioned in those videos. So this is the Upton face mask, and this is the Onion Ka range we bought. Onion Ka hair oil, hair shampoo and conditioner. This is the Pura range we bought, and because this was a pretty good deal, and it says that, you know, onion hair oil really helps you to, you know, get rid of your hair fall and all that sort. And this is a beauty blender from Giorgio Professional. This is how it looks, pretty color. Next I have few essential oils. This is the rosehip oil, this is the grapeseed oil, and this is a sweet almond oil. So I bought these oil because I'm thinking to, you know, mix this together and make some serum sort of thing. so I'll share you next time if that happens. So that is why I bought these. Next up I have sheet mask. One is the aloe sheet mask and one is the green tea sheet mask. So I'm not much into sheet mask, but my mother, she enjoys it. Next I have is a Pond's Superlight gel. If you have watched my previous videos, you know I swear by this product. I have used it. I've shown you this when I first purchased this in one of my Nykaa haul, and then all my beauty videos I've been using this. And this is a pretty good size, and this was also on, like, I just got like 100 rupees off. This retails for 299. So all the prices would be there on the screen. Okay, I guess I got it for 250 rupees, 200 or 250 rupees. And I love this. This is not some moisturizer which would make your skin very, you know, oily, greasy and chipchipa. It just soaks into your skin and just, it's bomb. I love it. I mean, it works great for my skin. It might not work for your skin, but for me it just works wonders. So I'm very excited to talk about this product. This is the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. So this is how it looks, and there's this jar, it opens up, and there's the gel. This was pretty cheap, and let me explain you what this is for. In winters, I don't know if you all face those dry patches on your body, like random parts of your body. Even after applying moisturizers, creams and everything, you still feel that dry patch on your skin, right? It is for that. So I have been feeling right here and on my, like, you know, body and all that. So I just bought this, and I've used it. It's been like 5 days I'm using it. Tell you all this, and let me tell you all, this is working good. So this is not some magic potion that, you know, you have to use it only once and, you know, that patchy thing will go away. No, it's not like that. It's been 5 days I've been using, and this is working great. So you can totally invest your money into it because it's nice. I mean, it's gonna last you forever because you just need a little amount. Lip sleeping mask from Laneige. This is in the berry variant, and this is how it looks. So I've also opened this, and I've been using it. Even I'm wearing it right now under my lips, under my lipstick actually. This smells amazing. It smells like strawberry berry kind of thing, and it is a lip sleeping mask, but you can use it however you want, you know. You don't have to use it how beauty products are labeled. So I love using it after my shower in the morning and before going to bed, and it totally moisturizes my skin. And now I understand what is the hype behind this product, because I've been hearing people talking a lot about this one. I was wondering ki aisa kya is lip balm mein, but yeah, now I know what is there in it. So here are a few products which arrived later. This is a Body Shop Tea Tree face wash. Unfortunately, there was no discount on that, and it hurts me. And this is Mama Earth Skin Illuminate Face Serum infused with vitamin C and turmeric. I haven't used it. It was a great deal, so I had to get it. And this is a nail paint remover. All you have to do is dip in your finger and twist it. Another product from the Moms Co. This is an eye cream, and the best thing about this eye cream is it comes with an applicator which really helps you to reduce puffiness under your eyes. I haven't tried it yet, but definitely if you want a review from my end, then please let me know in the comments. And this was a birthday gift from Nykaa. So being a Nykaa member, I always receive gifts on my birthday month. So this is what they gave in this time. This is a Go for Glow face mask. So again, haven't tried it. Let's see how it works. So I have two more products which are not from Nykaa, which are from Myntra, but they were just two products, and I thought of including in this video. Both are makeup products. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So I've been wanting this concealer for a long time, because, you know, Pure Beige wala shade is so common that it was most of the time out of stock. So Nykaa didn't had a good deal. I mean, they had like 10 or 15 or 20% off, and this retails for 695, almost 700 rupees. Okay, so I was just scrolling Myntra and I found this concealer, I guess on a 50% off. I guess this retails for 390 rupees or something, and I had to get it. Come on, you know me, right? There's jahan sale wahan mein. So I had to get this, and I'm wearing this concealer under my eyes. And next product I have is from Wet n Wild. This is the contour powder. This is how it looks. If you have watched my pehle ka Myntra haul, you must have seen that I have purchased that, and this is my third purchase, and I swear by this. I don't know what they have in this, but I just love it. I'm not a fan of this banana powder, by the way. I just love this contour shade. It just works best for my skin tone, and I guess I'm gonna buy it for the rest of my life. And on Nykaa they didn't had a great sale on Wet n Wild, so again this is from Myntra, and I got it for 386 rupees. And in my last Myntra haul, I got it for more cheaper, actually 336 rupees, you know. I know, I just love shopping on sale. So that is it for my Nykaa haul. If you liked my video, then please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.